What has happened to BC Spirits? BC Spirits, Spirit of Day number 98. Getting close to that century. Looking forward to it. I don't know what I'm going to be tasting now. I might go pick a bottle today. I might pick up something I haven't got in my collection just for the number 100. So today we're doing something from one of my favorite little distilleries here in the province. While all of them are my favorites, this one is special to me. It's Maple Leaf Spirits, their Kirsch. The wonderful thing is I've talked about Jorg and Annette on my videos before. They're such a lovely couple. They only do fruit brandies, which is hypothetically insane when you think of Kirsches and eau de vies and fruit brandies being such a huge market all over the world. I'm being sarcastic. They've stayed true to what they really love and what they're really good at, and that is fruit brandies. So I've been to the distillery a couple of times. The Kirsch is very popular. Now, I'm sure Annette or Jorg, if you're watching, you can confirm or comment that I've got the story wrong. But while I was there, there's a German chocolate maker or an Austrian chocolate maker in the Naramata bench. And he showed up and just picks up case after case after case of Kirsch that he uses in his chocolate production, which is kind of amazing and awesome. But I think that's pretty much what keeps them going, is the European market that lives in the Okanagan, just drinking the hell out of their product. So they're Kirsch, made from cherry, so it's a cherry brandy. Not in the same way that you would normally think of cherry brandy, like your bowls. Now, I've talked about it a million times. I'm going to talk about it again. The reason why I love fruit brandies, the number one reason why I love fruit brandies, is a big reason is that fermentation and distillation is such an aggressive process that the fragrant, sweet, aromatic notes that you get from brandies on the palate and on the nose shouldn't be there. When we squash fruit up in our hands, which is very similar to the process, it would get bruised and gross and like taste weird. But brandies, for some reason, just come out this beautiful, aromatic, smelling and tasting like cherries or grapes or apples. 40%. Super dry. Very cherry tree. I wouldn't say it's sweet cherry. There's a hint of like sweet cherry there, but it's definitely much more like sour, dry cherry. Cherry leaf in there, that little bit of greenness from the cherry, like a cherry leaf. It is a cherry tree like spirit. It's very, very, very deep, complex cherry. But when I say cherry tree, so you're thinking pits, leaves, bark, everything. I've worked with cherry bark and making bitters, and it has a very distinct flavor profile. This is a very complex expression of a Kirsch that really encapsulates the whole cherry tree, not just the fruit or the sweet fruit. Oh, the finish is fantastic. Put it into your desserts, into your cakes. Drink it neat. I like it a little chilled. I like a little chilled to my Kirsches in the fridge. Just a nice little sip after you finish dinner or after you finish dessert. Thank you very much, Annette and Jorg. Again, I love your stuff. See you guys tomorrow for number 99. Bye.